Hey, what's going on? Brian Brewer here, full-time super affiliate, creator of Affiliate Escape Plan 2.0, and of course, the person bringing you this 100% free 90-minute affiliate challenge. So here we are, video 9. Video 9 is really cool because I'm going to show you how to create multiple streams of income with linear affiliate marketing. And linear affiliate marketing is a terminology that I use. You probably won't see it talked about anywhere else, at least not yet. This is really cool. This is how you basically take the same leads that you're already getting and get more money out of them while actually helping more people, building your authority, building your brand, and just putting a bunch of goodwill out into the universe. So this is the last video of the 90-minute affiliate challenge. I hope I've brought you a ton of value. Right now you might be thinking, oh gosh, I'm going to miss this. I don't know what to do next. There's options, right? You know about my free Facebook. Hopefully you're on my email list already and you're still on there. And then of course we have the Affiliate Escape Plan 2.0 if you decide you want more. If not, whatever you do, that's cool. I hope you got a ton of great information. I'm glad to have been able to bring this to you. And I hope whatever you do, whether you buy my course or not, whether you follow me in the Facebook group or not, I hope you implement at least some of this training so you can go out there and change your life. My life's not going to change if you do anything with this, but for you, everything can change. All right, let's talk about this. Linear affiliate marketing, what does that mean? Well, basically, when you solve one problem, this brings a whole set of new problems that must be solved for people. So we can capitalize on that while helping people along the way. So let me give you a quick metaphor about how this might work. So let's say you need to get to work. That's your number one problem right now. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully your number one problem is you want to leave work and quit your job. But for visual representation purposes, let's say your number one problem is you need to get to work. So what do? You go out there and buy a car. That solves the first problem, but it brings a whole nother set of problems. Now, you're going to need gas next week. 3 months from now, you're going to need an oil change. 2 years from now, you're going to need new tires, right? And all those things cost money. And then, of course, you have the insurance that is a monthly payment. And that is kind of like monthly recurring revenue or passive income for you. So that's how it works, right? You understand that when you buy a car, usually you don't have a problem with it. You might gripe and moan about gas prices, but that's pretty much it. It comes with the territory. Well, that's exactly the same thing that happens when people build a business. If you're going to help people do anything, right? Once they start on that journey, they're going to need other things. And if we offer them the right things at the right time, and those right things at the right time happen to be excellent products with affiliate programs, well, then we can capitalize on this. So this is a real world example of how I do this. So one of the first things I promote is Legendary Marketer. That makes sense. That's affiliate marketing and digital marketing education. That solves the number one problem a lot of people have. They need a side hustle. They need to make more money. They need to start their own business. Okay. Once you get in there and you start doing all that and you start learning affiliate marketing, then you realize that the next thing you're going to need is some sort of funnel to collect emails and share your messaging on the internet at scale, right? So after people are going through the process and learning affiliate marketing, I introduce them to ClickFunnels, which has an affiliate program, which is the funnel building software that I use. I get affiliate commission. I make that recommendation and people are happy to buy it. Plus, this also converts really well because there's already a sunk cost associated with the Legendary Marketer education. So these people are going to be more likely to buy. Well, after you build your funnel or get your funnel going, what's the next thing you're going to need? Well, you're going to need something to manage your emails. So that's when I recommend an autoresponder that has an affiliate program. I make a great recommendation for an affiliate marketing friendly autoresponder. It's also very inexpensive. People love me. They buy it. I get the affiliate commission. Okay, now as you're seeing how people are in their journey, now what do they need next? Well, they got their funnel set up. They know a little bit about marketing. They got a product. Hopefully, what's the next thing they need? They're going to need traffic. So later on down the road, a few days, 10 days, 15 days into the automated email sequence, I offer them the opportunity to check out my profile traffic formula. And what this is this is a $7 course that has a couple of upsells that teaches people how to funnelize their Facebook profile. So just by commenting on Facebook, liking posts, sharing things in groups, you can actually start to build a digital footprint. And if your Facebook profile is funnelized, you can actually generate free traffic to your funnel just by doing that. And it works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And as we know, everyone's on Facebook. So that's great. People love that. It's inexpensive. Once again, it's $7 plus a couple of upsells for the profile traffic formula. Now they have the business running. They know where they're getting traffic. They know where their funnels are all set up and sending out automated emails. So what's the next thing they're going to need? Well, some people are going to want coaching. They're going to want one-on-one help. Well, I don't offer that anymore, but I used to, and I used to charge quite a bit for it. But here's the thing, coaching is all about access, and people will pay a premium for access. So even if you're just new to the affiliate marketing game, yet you understand the principles and hopefully you've made at least a few bucks, then you can offer coaching on the back end 2, 3, 4 weeks down the road via your automated email sequence. And some of those people are going to take you up on it because they want the access. They want someone to hold their hand. Well, if you offer that, you can easily charge $2,000 and up. And that's linear affiliate marketing, guys. Solve one problem, then solve the next problem, the next problem, the next problem, the next problem. Do it in logical order, do it at the right time, and you can monetize the whole journey. And the people who get to this coaching and buy it, they love you. So by this point, you've only got people that absolutely love you working with you. And this is how to run a very cool coaching business if that's something you want to do in the future. So that's it, guys. What's next? That's up to you. I already said, you've got options. You got the free Facebook group, and of course you have Affiliate Escape Plan 2.0. There's going to be a link somewhere around this video that will take you to another free video that'll show you what's inside Affiliate Escape Plan 2.0. If you want to see all the modules, what you're going to get, how it's going to help you, quick start guides, templates, tools, scripts, swipes, plus a ton of bonuses. In the last video, I mentioned the $4,500 training that I gave. You don't have to pay $4,500. Luckily, you get access to the total recording just for joining AEP 2.0 today. There's some other really cool bonuses, including recordings from masterminds. I have guests in there who are actually doing case studies for me, one of which is the fastest person to ever hit 6 figures with Legendary Marketer. So that's really cool. She's going to detail the steps there. Just a lot of cool stuff. Once again, the link to watch that video so you can see what's inside, see the terms, see the guarantees, all that stuff is there. Just go ahead and check that out. And once again, thank you so much for going through this 90-minute affiliate challenge. I hope I proved that I can help you out a lot. I'd love to help you out more, but regardless, it's on you. Go ahead, go out there, take action, and reach out if you need anything.